Hey folks, this is Derek Burris with Green Scene Home Inspections. Just doing a home inspection today and just wanted to show everybody a little bit of stuff on here real quick. Now what I do want to tell you is that although this is very nice to have and very easy and accessible into your house, in the garage itself, as you can see right here, we have a pretty good garage here, but then they decided to go ahead and put stairs up into the attic. Although this is actually very nice and very easy accessible, there is no fire blocking whatsoever in this house. So if they are parking cars in here whatsoever and they let it run for just a little bit, all that carbon monoxide is coming into the attic, going straight to the HVAC system, and eventually going through the air ductwork. Also, if there was a fire to occur by any combustibles in the garage, there's nothing to stop the fire from creating or coming up into the attic to go through the rest of the house. This is why it's so important to have fire blocking on your house and that we close up these attics so nothing can get through that. Thank you very much. This is Derek Burris with Green Scene Home Inspections.